ക്യൂ ഫോർ ക്യൂസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേറ്ററ്റ് എക്സാമിന് എക്സ്പെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദ എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ECCE ഈസ് ഏർലി ചൈൽഡ്ഹുഡ് കെയർ ആൻഡ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ. According to Stanley Hall, the adolescent stage is called as stage of stress, strain, storm and conflicts. The psychologist who has given much importance to individual differences in children is Galton. Who is called as father of conditioning? Pavlov. The backward conditioning was first of all explored by Switzer. According to Spearman, the concept of intelligence is training of relations and interrelations. The name of the intelligence test constructed by Cattell is Cattell-Culture test of intelligence. The playway method for small children was developed by Froebel. Education is not a preparation for life, but life itself. Who told this? Dewey. The idealistic philosophy, the highest position is given to the teacher. Isolates in the class are the students with whom no other student of the class likes to associate. Gifted child is judged in terms of intellectual superiority. Sometimes children face trouble in reading. This is dyslexia. The concept of reinforcement is most related to Skinner's idea of operant conditioning. Assimilation is the process of familiarizing new experiences by linking with familiar ones. Positively accelerated learning curve can be represented by concave curve. Some students achieve high in the class, while some others fail due to psychological phenomena called individual difference. Five strategies involved in learning for cognitive development are disequilibrium, assimilation, accommodation, equilibrium, adaptation. Five stages in Gagne's learning hierarchy are given below. Chaining of motor activities, verbal association, multiple discrimination, concept learning, rules learning. first calculating device was abacus. The third generation computers are used IC. Shortcut key of select all, Ctrl plus A. 1 KB is equal to dash bytes, 124 bytes. Mouse was invented by Dux C. Engelwart. The fifth generation computers are known as expert system. EPD stands for Electronic Data Processing. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. CAD stands for Computer Aided Drawing. VGA stands for Video Graphic Adapter. Windows developed by Microsoft. The concept of reinforcement was first proposed by B.F. Skinner. Kohler and Kafka support the theory insight. Ebbinghaus curve refers curve of forgetting. The book The Growth of the Mind is written by Kurt Kafka. Teaching machines were designed on the principles of operant conditioning. Mainstreaming means placement of handicapped children. Father of psychoanalytic theory, Freud. The phenomena of perceiving a rope as a snake in darkness is illusion. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക്